everybody, ChestnutMtnTinman here. Thursday afternoon about 4:15. It's 50 degrees on Cherokee Gun Club, range 1. Messing around with the silencer on the 300 block out and got to play with some more stuff. It still won't feed. So let's do something else. Got to figure that out. Be right back. Well, that was a good start. Shit, one high. God dang it. $488. That broke the line. Those are good, and the other two were in here. But with those not being scored 10, you lose 90 points. Don't know about that. I don't know about that. That was in a weird place there. Can we stay out of that? 292 for 4 shots. 176423836. Oh, weird today. Weird. That other was a 172 first shot. That was a 341 bill drill. 190, 33, 31, 30, 28, 29. Probably need to walk you. Definitely there. Need to bring her down a little. Need to bring her down a little. Let's go Don't forget to like, comment, words, emojis, or both. You know I love hearing from you. And if you're not one of my subscribers, help my YouTube channel grow. The only way it grows is by new ones. So hit my subscribe, ding my bell icon. That's an analytic thing too, I found out. So even if you don't want them, ding it and hit none. And guess what? If I don't follow you, I'll hit yours and I help you grow. I think that's only right. Tin Man, we're out of here.